Good morning to all students. So today we are going to discuss about part 8 of diabetes mellitus. Part 8 of diabetes mellitus. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the investigations of diabetes mellitus, that is part 7. So let's recall a little bit what we have discussed. Basically, it's a asymptomatic, right? So what we have discussed in the investigations, routine examination, routine microscopic urine sugar, lipid profile, ECG baseline, then fasting blood glucose level, then renal function test, then glucose tolerance test, oral glucose tolerance test, HbA1c test, fundoscopy, etc. Right? Now today we are going to discuss about the management of diabetes mellitus, part 8. So let's begin with our today's lecture. In continuation with our previous lectures, we will be continuing our today's lecture on part 8 of diabetes mellitus, that is management of diabetes mellitus, general management of diabetes mellitus. So first of all, we will discuss about the goals of management. What should be the goals of management? What are the goals of management? How we will manage diabetes mellitus? मतलब हमें manage तो करना है, but हमारे goals क्या होने चाहिए उसको management में? So goals of management are to achieve blood glucose level as normal as possible. पहला goal हमारा ये है that to achieve blood glucose as normal as possible. जितना possible हो हमें उतना उसको normal करना है. Blood glucose level should be normal. Second goal is to prevent or to reduce the complications of diabetes mellitus. की जो भी complications है उसको prevent करना है कि वो develop ही नहीं हो और हो गए तो we should reduce those complications. We should reduce the intensity of those complications. And a third goal should be elimination of the symptoms, that is trio. In the last to last lecture, what we have discussed now, the trio, the classical trio of diabetes mellitus. So basically, there are three goals of management: to achieve blood sugar level as normal as possible. Second goal is to prevent or to reduce the complications. And third goal is to eliminate the symptoms, elimination of the symptoms, the classical trio of diabetes mellitus. So these were the goals of management. These three were the goals of management of diabetes mellitus. Then next, drugs. ड्रग्स में क्या हो जाएगा? इंसुलिन. अब अगर हम सबक्यूटेनियस दे रहे हैं उसको, देन इन केस ऑफ सीवियर डिहाइड्रेशन, अगर सीवियर डिहाइड्रेशन है देन सबक्यूटेनियस. एंड इंट्रामस्कुलर इन स्किन डिसऑर्डर्स. कहाँ पे देंगे? थाई में, एंटीरियर एब्डोमिनल वॉल में, आर्म में. देन टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंसुलिन, क्लियर दैट इज शॉर्ट एक्टिंग एंड इट शुड बी स्टोर्ड इन द फ्रीजर. क्लाउडी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है. Just shake before we use it and rub the bottle in the hand only. Then insulin syringe may be mixed up with tubercular syringe. Insulin syringe may mix up with tubercular syringe. This may lead to some problems, so we should always check. Then types of insulin: animal, human and synthetic. Types of insulin: animal insulin, human insulin and synthetic. Then according to modern classification, short, rapid and long acting. And the long acting जो third वाला है, it is mostly used. Then indications of using insulin. Type 1 diabetes mellitus हो तो persistent hyperglycemia with maximum oblique combination of oral hyperglycemic agent. Third is during infections, usually during pregnancy, but not in all the cases. During operations, during any operative procedures, during operations, and during the complications of treatment of diabetes mellitus. During the treatment of complications of diabetes mellitus. So indications of using insulin are type 1 diabetes mellitus, persistent hyperglycemia, during infections, usually during pregnancy, but not in all cases, during any operative procedures, during operations, and sixth is during treatment of complications of diabetes mellitus. Side effects of insulin: hypoglycemia, weight gain and obesity, allergic reactions, lipodystrophy, and Somogyi effect. So what are the complications of, side effects of insulin? Hypoglycemia हो जाएगा, weight gain हो जाएगा, obesity, then allergic reactions, lipodystrophy and Somogyi effect. Somogyi effect or phenomena happens when when someone takes insulin before going to bed and wake up with high blood sugar level. According to theory of Somogyi effect, when insulin lowers, जब insulin कम कर देता है blood sugar level को बहुत ज़्यादा, it can trigger a release of hormones that sends the blood sugar level into a rebound high state. Right? So Somogyi effect is when someone takes insulin just before going to bed and wake up with high blood sugar level. Thank you. With this, we complete with the general management of the diabetes mellitus. So with this, we complete today's lecture on management of diabetes mellitus. Thank you.